Here I have DOOGE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for this mode. For example, it could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts only, or from nobody. Here you can star contacts. There's also an option allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, this call will be added to exceptions too. You can also add messages to exceptions. And the same goes for calls, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, events. You can restrict notifications. For example, you can restrict only sound notifications, you can restrict visual and sound notifications, or you can restrict them. Like here you can customize restrictions. You can set default duration of this mode, and you can also add a schedule for it here. For example, you can set the days on which your Do Not Disturb will be on, start time, end time. You can enable or disable alarms, and here you can select the Do Not Disturb mode's behavior. You can just like customize its behavior here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.